Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I have 4 different ways to create layered flowers. And when I mean ways, I mean as in 4 different paper textures. So what we're going to be using is regular cardstock, vellum, acetate, and craft paper, but super thin craft paper, almost like wrapping paper. And I want to show you guys what they look like and how I create these to give them kind of like that 3-dimensional look. So this is the craft one, and this paper, you guys, is so thin, so you can definitely use your little tool to roll them up. I chose not to. I did a little bit on the top, but I like the way it looks flat. And look, as you can see, I use some little foam dots, and look how pretty these look, you guys. These little centers are from my Paper Cherries kit, but you can use also the little gemmies from Michaels. But I love the way the craft flowers look. Here's a different style. Look at those, you guys. How pretty. And then in vellum, with the same technique, using the foam dots on every layer. Do you guys see that? So pretty. And I think you can curl the vellum. I didn't curl any of them except the cardstock ones. But look how pretty, you guys. You can use your dies to create these. I did SVG files, but these are the vellum ones. And then these are my cardstock ones. I did the same thing. Look at that. They just look so cool, you guys. I love them so much. Look how pretty. With the little centers, and then just at the angle, how you see them just prop out, and that dimension is amazing and so fun. So that's regular cardstock. And now my favorite, you guys, are the acetate layered flowers. Look at that. How cool do these look? Look at that. They have something similar like this in Michaels, and they're like $8 a pack. You can make them yourselves, you guys. Aren't they super cute? Look at this. However many layers you want. This one has 4 layers. This one has 3. Look at the itty bitty tiny one. Is that not the prettiest? If you don't want to layer it and you just want a flat one, here's an example for that. That's just the acetate right on top of each other. This one you can curl. But look, even this one is super pretty. And then I have this one. You guys, I am obsessed. I love them so much. Hopefully you guys can get them. I have to fix this. You can get them as more straight than I did because I was trying to layer them. Let me fix that real quick. There you go. Because that was going to bother me. But aren't they the cutest? Oh my gosh. I am obsessed with these little acetate ones. I'm pretty sure someone out there has made them, but this is the first time that I'm making them, and they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them so much, especially this little itty bitty tiny one. But yeah, you guys, that's 4 different ways to make some cute little layered flowers with different textures, and a cute little way to prop them up on some foam and make them look dimensional. That is my quick little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.